The Servicestar daily maintenance program delivers a simple, consistent, and highly effective way to protect and enhance polished concrete floors across large retail, commercial, and industrial environments. Our system is cost-effective, guards against staining, reduces floor porosity, and noticeably increases gloss levels, day after day. Using one of 3 proprietary daily service pads and our patent-pending Servicestar concrete cleaner and densifier, the process fits seamlessly into any maintenance routine. In most cases, facilities need only our 3500 grit daily service pad, identified by the blue color for quick operator identification. This is not a coating. It's a proven, science-driven maintenance method that strengthens the surface, enhances clarity, and elevates the overall appearance of polished concrete. And it has been perfected through real-world performance in national retail chains and high-traffic warehouse environments. In this demonstration, the floor began with a gloss meter reading of 17. After just 30 days on the Servicestar daily maintenance program, the results are both visually dramatic and quantifiably superior, with a gloss reading of 60. The Servicestar system, our products, our pads, and our patent-pending process is available exclusively through Servicestar. Contact us today to get started.